Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 20th December. And first of all, national news. India's expectation from Pakistanis never very high. Jaishankar on Pak FM's personal attack against Modi. NCP MLA arrived with newborn son to attend winter session. Supreme Court directed center IITs to follow quota law in recruitment of faculty. Parliament winter session 2022 Lok Sabha passes bill to deal with maritime piracy. Appropriation bills moved in Rajya Sabha. Election Commission 54.32 crore Aadhaar collected, none linked with voter ID yet. Indians, Greeks to trace common roots in Himachal, village of Alexander's soldiers. Rajya Sabha Chairman Dhankar said disruptions in Parliament not sending good signals. Engineering aspirants demanded January edition of JEE Main be postponed as dates clash with board exams. Visa fraud, files of 64 people with high risk of migration disappear from French embassy. Indian Army will not let China change status. QO along LAC unilaterally, Jaishankar. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar to host millet-only lunch for MPs on December 20. Supreme Court asked Jharkhand to respond to UPSC over delay in DGP appointment. And now some international news. Russian warships to participate in joint naval drills with China this week. Facebook parent Meta likely breaching antitrust laws, European Commission. Russia said shot down 4 US-made missiles, first such claim since Ukraine war. Countries adopted a historic deal to protect nature at the UN Biodiversity Summit. TikTok denied allegations of setting up illegal operations in Taiwan. Ukraine struggled to restore power amid fresh drone attacks. Thailand's warship sank, Navy search for 33 missing Marines. Australian top diplomats' first China trip in years in signs of improving ties. And now some sports news will return. Kylian Mbappe's post after World Cup final heroics for France is viral. Ronaldo Nazario congratulated Lionel Messi after winning the World Cup. World Cup hockey in Odisha offline ticket sales start. After FIFA World Cup, Qatar seek Olympic hosting rights. Pakistan captain Babar Azam completed 1,000 runs in a year. BCCI Apex Council meeting to be held on Wednesday. Central Contract Selection Committee on agenda. Injured Rohit Sharma ruled out of second test against Bangladesh, a report said. And news related to business. Sensex surged over 460 points, stalling a 2-session losing streak. Rupee rised 17 paise to 82.70 per dollar. India will be big export economy. Indian startups getting noticed, Sundar Pichai. Ahead of budget, PM Modi to chair chief secretaries meet. Center to hold consultations to decide on privatization of banks. Note to circulation grew 7.9% annually to Rs 32 lakh crore. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Center expected postal data bill to be passed in monsoon session, Union Minister. Loans worth Rs 10.9 lakh crore written off by banks, Finance Minister. Google working to make internet search available in over 100 Indian languages, Sundar Pichai. And news from Science and Technology. Changes in Earth's orbit may have triggered ancient warming event. Scientists freeze Great Barrier Reef coral in world first trial. NASA image showed Hubble sparkling new view of Carina Nebula. And a robotic arm to inspect leaky Soyuz spacecraft, Russia said. And let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 20th December in New Delhi will reach to 22 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 9 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you.